Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. My name is Martin. I hope that you had a great weekend, but I did want to share some very incredible news with you. This is going to be an awesome video as we will be talking about some very big news coming out of Lucid Group as the CEO just signed an incredible deal that will increase its production volume and the futures ahead. In addition to this, if you are interested in a brand new electric vehicle, what should you consider doing before June 1st, 2022? I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into it and get started, all I ask is that you please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. I do have great promotions using my links down below to Moomoo and Weeble. Stay to the end of this video and I can show you how you can get incredible opportunities to get some free stocks. Now, without further ado, let's talk about that big contract news that the CEO Peter Rawlinson just signed on May 18th, 2022. So the CEO just went to Saudi Arabia, met with a lot of officials there, and they have just come up with a deal and signed this deal into a policy that they will be expanding the AMP2, the factory facility manufacturing process, to Saudi Arabia in the King Abdullah Economic City. So this is incredible news coming forward, and this is brought to you from Inside EVs. So Lucid secures a $3.4 billion incentive and funding for this Saudi Arabian plant. So the Lucid AMP2 facility will be produced and made in the King Abdullah Economic City, and this will have a huge, incredible growth of an annual capacity to produce up to 155,000 electric vehicles. So the Saudi Arabian government, which was signed by the Ministry of Investment from Saudi Arabia. Also, a lot of other groups have signed financial and incentives to Lucid to give them up to $3.4 billion over the next 15 years. And these funds will be used to build and operate and manufacture the facility in Saudi Arabia. This will be expected to start breaking ground in the next few months. In addition to this, this factory is expected to be made and completed by the year 2025. This new factory in Saudi Arabia will create 4,500 jobs, will build up to 155,000 electric vehicles per year, and that will actually increase Lucid's group production capacity to 500,000 electric vehicles by the year 2025. So again, this is incredible news moving forward from Lucid Group, Lucid Company, as they are starting to build up its factories. Now, we do know that they are still going through those growing pains of having mass productions, and this is mainly because of the supply chain issues that is coming out of China. We have heard that this is affecting not only Lucid Motors, but it's affecting all EV and all auto manufacturers worldwide. Now, that being said, what does this mean for the company moving forward? It's incredible news if you are currently a Lucid Motors stock investor or potentially thinking about getting this company into your portfolio, as I do believe that its potential growth is quite there, and this is very nice to have this huge backing and this big monetary policy that has just come out from Saudi Arabia. Now, what you need to get into an EV startup company is a lot of cash on hand, and this has secured future potential growth for this company. Now, we have seen that this is an incredible deal because Lucid Motors is one of the best electric vehicle companies in the world. This is going to be a technology race, and Saudi Arabia is definitely seeing this, and they are investing very big into Lucid Group. That should be very nice if you are a Lucid investor and holding the stock long term. Now let's talk about the very big news. What should you do if you are looking to buy an electric vehicle before June 1st, 2022? If you are considering buying an electric vehicle, consider looking at the Lucid Air vehicles. Just the Lucid Air Pure is one of the best deals you can get right now, in my opinion, because this vehicle is selling right now for $77,400. You do get on top of that $7,500 tax incentive. And not only this, you get 3 years free of supercharging with Electrify America if you buy this vehicle before June 1st, 2022. So you only have a few days left in May. So if you are considering buying this, you might want to do so sooner than later. Now, the CEO, Peter Rawlinson, has just announced that there will be a price increase starting on June 1st, 2022 of its Lucid Air vehicles. Now, the CEO was very nice and kind to keep the reservations. Past reservations will keep their original price. And if you purchase and reserve your vehicle before June 1st, 2022, you will also get these very nice prices. But Lucid Air, this is according to their website, is doing a price update. They are going to be increasing their vehicle prices. That Lucid Air Pure that I mentioned, that currently is the best electric vehicle deal you can get, is selling for $77,400. That will go up by $10,000 to $87,400. The Air Touring will go up from $95,000 to $107,400. The Air Grand Touring will go from $139,000 to $154,000, and the Air Grand Touring Performance that just most recently came out will stay at $179,000. So again, if you are looking into an electric vehicle, you might want to consider getting this before that June 1st expiration date, as I do think it is one of the best deals on the market you can get right now. Just getting that Pure, that base model of the Lucid Air Pure, you get more mile range than the current Tesla Model S long range by 1 mile. That long range of the Tesla has a range of 405 miles. The Lucid Air Pure has 406 miles. Is this a coincidence? I think not. Lucid Air did beat it by 1 mile. In addition to this, not only do you get this nice range, you also get very nice performance and luxury in the Lucid Air Pure. The Lucid Air Pure does offer 0 to 60 in about 4 seconds, but in addition to this, you do get that very nice luxury component of this vehicle, and this is an incredible deal. Get yours before this price is increased, as the comparative Tesla Model S long range is starting price of over about $100,000. So you're getting an incredible deal on this vehicle. In addition to this, you do get that 3 years of free Electrify America charging. So incredible opportunity to take advantage of that. Now, what is happening with this stock? That is the next thing I did want to talk about. Now, the Lucid Air stock has been on a roller coaster just in the past 1 month. As you can see, has been as low as $13.86 on May 11th, but is currently trading at $18.39. Over the past 1 month, it is down 3.8%, but we are starting to see that we are starting to have stabilization. I do believe that we are going to see this seesaw movement of the stock having some ups. We are seeing resistance points at $20. We are seeing stabilization, I do believe, at right around $17. We did have that brief dip down below at $13.86. Could this happen more often? I do think that we will have more downward pressures ahead of itself. So don't have that fear that you missed this bottom of the price. I do suspect that we could potentially be testing this again. But right now we are starting to see some stabilization, again, ranging anywhere from about $17 to $20 in this stock right now. But don't forget, you also have the big inflation concerns. The interest rates are hiking, are going up, and we have not gotten out of that supply chain issues. So again, there will be downward pressure, a lot of headwinds on this company. If you look and zoom out in the past 6 months, we are down 64%. But as you can see, this stock has huge potential growth. It was at $55 at one point in time, also $45 at the beginning of the year. But since at the beginning of the year, we have dropped as much as 70% down on the stock. I do believe that it is giving us very nice future potentials ahead. If we zoom out even further, I wanted to zoom out until we had that merger happen. Look at this, and this is the big thing, the takeaway that I did want to show you. This is the $20 mark. How many times have this stock gone under $20? Not too often. We've tested it here on May 14th of the year 2021, and then we had the stock go above $20 mark. Again, we have tested it in September. Again, that $20 mark, again, we have gone up a lot. Now we are in the stage where we are below $20. I think this is incredible deal opportunity if you hold this stock long term. I am a long-term stockholder, and if you can DCA dollar cost average into these prices, you're getting amazing growth for the future of this stock potential. I do think that Lucid Motors is one of the best stocks. It is one of the best electric vehicle companies. If you look at energy efficiency, it is the best energy efficient electric vehicle. second to none compared to Tesla. And both of these companies have very nice futures ahead of itself. And I am a big investor in both Tesla and Lucid Motors. However, Lucid Motors does offer us huge potential growth into the future as this stock is beat down to the pulp. And we have seen huge negative sentiment and huge headwinds because of the supply chain issues and futures ahead of itself. But I do think that we do have very nice growth ahead of itself. And for this, I did just want to show you some future price predictions. According to Wallet Investor, that does use artificial intelligence. It uses past technical analysis, past trading history to see how the stock will be doing in the future. But as you can see, currently the price is trading at $18.39. In the next 12 months, in the next 1 year, it is projecting that it should go up by $27 to $27.44. That offers this incredible upside potential from here. But look even further down the road, 5 years down the road, you're looking at $65, $66 price point in the next 5 years. Incredible growth opportunities. There's not too many stocks out there that are in the technology space that can go up this much. I do think that this is one of the best stocks that you can get, but always please do your own due diligence. Always do your own research, as this is not financial advice. This is just how I am trading, and I am heavily diversified as well. Now, if we transition and talk about what the analysts on Wall Street are saying about the LCID Lucid Group stock, there's a total of 4 of them that are giving it an average of a moderate buy. But the price target range does vary quite a bit. The lowest price target in the next 12 months is $12 with the highest of $60. If you do that average, it is $38, which is an upside of 108%. Now, do I think it's going to hit $60 by the end of this year? I do not think so, because we do still have that big shortage of supply. So we still have a lot of headwinds. But what I'm looking for is the next future, in the year 2023, by the year 2025, when this new Saudi Arabian group, the factory, the AMP2 is produced, they can make up to 155,000 electric vehicles. By then, Lucid Air will be ramping up their production volume also in Arizona. And don't forget that they are adding on square footage in their Arizona plant. They are adding an additional 2.85 million square feet. So once they get that production going, once they start getting all the materials that they can put this vehicle together, the sky is the limit. And I do think that they have the funds to keep this company going, to keep this company thriving. But right now we are in those very bumpy roads. We are in those very critical times when there's a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. And that's one of the best times to buy into the dips, to buy dollar cost average down in these low prices, as I do think it has great future potential. But again, I do hope that you liked this video. I hope that you did learn something new. If you did, all I ask is that you give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. Share this page with others so we can continue to grow the channel. I do have those great promotions for you right now. If you open a brand new account with Moomoo, they'll give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500. If you keep at least $2,000 balance in there for at least 1 year, they'll give you a free Twitter bonus stock. Also, using my link down to Webull, if you put in at least 1 penny into a brand new account, they'll give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,000. Incredible opportunities from Moomoo and Webull to get you a lot of free money. Take advantage of that, especially during these very difficult times where all of our stocks are down. You can get incredible future potentials and growth in your money. But again, thank you so much for watching, for supporting the channel, and I cannot wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.